Hello friends, a very sad news has come that Sharjil Imam, JNU student research scholar, has been tested positive for COVID-19. He is lodged in Guwahati jail and he was being transferred from Assam to Delhi, and before that transfer that test was conducted and he was tested positive. Before him, revolutionary poet Bara Rao and Akhil Gogoi, who is the peasant leader from the Assam, they have also been tested positive. These are very serious issues because the condition in jail is very worrisome, and there has been cases of the spread of the coronavirus within the jail. And in jail we know that, particularly in India, that basic facilities are not available, proper sanitation facility is not available. And if you have read the recent letter of Dr. Kafil Khan, who is lost in Mathura jail, he said that in a jail he has to share a single bathroom with 120 to 30 inmates. That is why a democratic demand should be that the prisoners should be released, because the spread of coronavirus has threatened their life, and this has been the demand of the United Nations, the WHO and other human rights organizations. So Indian government must pay heed to it, and Sharjil and other inmates should be released. Friends, one thing we have to keep in mind, that the media report says that in Guwahati jail there has been 300, I beg your pardon, there has been 435 inmates out of 1000 inmates which have been tested positive. So you could see it, that how serious this issue is. And we have already told you that Bara Rao, the revolutionary poet, and peasant leader Akhil Gogoi, they have all been tested positive. So the threat to their life is also there, and Indian constitution says that right to life is a fundamental right. And you are all aware of the fact that Dr. Kafil wrote a letter, very moving letter, 2 weeks ago, and he said that how much he has been suffering in the jail along with the other inmates. And it is very sad that at this pandemic, when we need more and more doctors, our government is putting them behind the bar. And we should not forget that Dr. Kafil Khan has done tremendous work for last couple of years. He was very active in Bihar during 2019, when Chimki fever was taking the life of many people. During Kerala floods, he was also active. During Bihar flood 2018, he was also active, and he also gave his medical assistance. Now the question is that at the international level, human rights organization, UN and WHO have said that the steps must be taken to reduce the size of the inmates, the number of the inmates in the jail. And several countries, China, Iran, Turkey, Indonesia, they have taken some measures and they have released their prisoners. Even in India, the Shiv Sena and Congress government has also released some prisoners. But we have to do a lot in India, because the condition here is very, very worrisome. And one statistic says that in India there are, I think, 13 13,361 jails in India. 13,361 jails in India till 2018, and there are 4,66,000 prisoners there, and the number of prisoners are 75,000 more than the capacity. So we could see here that the jail is overcrowded. The time has come for the government to pay really a serious heed to the concerns of the human rights organization, and it must take action for reducing the size rather than increasing the number in jails. And today's figure says that there are 11,70,000 corona positive in India, and 28,329 people have already died. So India stands at the third position as far as the largest number of corona positive cases are concerned. So the need of the hour, the time is to reduce the number of the prisoners. This is not the question